Hello friends, welcome back to Apple Friendly. Today I'm gonna show you how to arrange Mailbox in Mail app on your iPhone. This will help you to sort emails in different filters and keep your favorite or important mailbox on the top of the list. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch Mail app on your iPhone and tap Edit on the top right corner. Now you should see your mailbox something like this. You can select these checkboxes to enable different filters like flagged, to or CC, unread, attachments and thread notifications. Once you're okay with the selection, hit done on the top right corner. Now you can access your emails quickly using these filters. Now let's see how to add your favorite mailbox to the top of the list. So tap Edit, scroll down and hit Add Mailbox. Now it should show all the mailboxes that are there on your iPhone for all the different mail accounts. You have to navigate and select your favorite or important mailbox. I am going to select this Apple for the demo purpose. Now hit Done. Now you should see your mailbox in the list. Just hold these 3 bars and drag it to the top of the list. And hit Done. That's all. This is how you can keep all your favorite and important mailboxes on the top of the list and save your time navigating through different mailbox folders. And now quickly, when you want to remove all these mailboxes, simply tap Edit, remove checkboxes and tap Done. That's all for today. I hope this short tutorial helps. If you liked it, share it with your friends and loved ones. I'll see you soon in the next one. This is Vikas signing off. Thank you so much for watching.